Hi! In front of me is Realme C31 and today I would like to show you how you can add face data on this smartphone. First of all, go into settings and scroll down. Now select security and tap on face unlock. After that, you need to enter your current login method, read the disclaimer, choose agree at the bottom right corner and choose start at the bottom right corner as well when you're ready. Then remember to keep your face in frame. After that, you need to select done at the bottom right corner. And now when I click home button, turn off my screen. Then turn it back on. I can see that face unlock is working properly, so all I need to do is swipe up to open my smartphone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!